So in another video, I used ChatGPT to create a quiz with various questions, and one of the questions was an essay assignment. And now I want to create a rubric so I can assess that assignment. So I'm going to say, please create a rubric for this assignment, and simply pasting in the assignment. What it gives me is a list of criteria and point values for that assignment. I'm going to ask it to please elaborate on this rubric. So while the original rubric would probably be good for maybe a syllabus or a high-level overview, this is more specific and really discusses the details of each criterion. I'm going to try another prompt. I'm going to say, please create the rubric in table format. So that's a different format. I could copy and paste that. Let's try and refine this even further. Please create the rubric in table format with measures for each criterion. So that's an interesting output. I've never seen an output like this for a rubric, but I understand it. I'm going to try one last prompt. I'm going to ask it to include grading scales. So this is really interesting. Again, I've never seen a format like this, but I do like the 1 through 5 scale. And so I have each criterion, the point value, and then a way to grade based on an objective scale. There are a few more refinements that I think I would like to add to this, but for now I think I'll leave it at this. I feel like I could ask ChatGPT to explore each one of these criteria individually and maybe elaborate on some of them. But this gives me a pretty decent foundation, to be honest. And if I were designing the curriculum, I think I would appreciate this approach rather than starting from scratch.